Hi kids, today in our Twinkle channel we are going to see solar system with 4D augmented reality. Shall we start? Solar system. Wow,
Solar system.
it looks very beautiful. Sun is surrounded by 9 planets. You can see Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury, and the center one is Sun. Shall we see the planets one by one? The first one is Mercury,
Mercury.
which is near to the Sun. It is the smallest one. The second planet is
Venus.
Venus. Can you see this? Third planet is
Earth.
Earth, our home. It is the third planet. It's the only planet having free oxygen produced by plants. Our Earth is covered by 71% of water.
Mars.
This is Mars. This is the fourth planet. It's sometimes called red planet. Are you enjoying this? This is
Jupiter.
Jupiter. This is the fifth planet. It is the largest in the solar system.
Saturn.
This is Saturn. This is the sixth planet, adorned with a dazzling system of icy rings. Saturn is a massive ball.
Uranus.
This is Uranus. This is the seventh planet. It's made of ice, gases, and liquid metal. This planet is tilted on its axis.
Neptune.
This planet is Neptune. This is the eighth planet. It is encircled by 6 rings. Neptune is dark, cold, and very windy. Are you happy to see this? The last one is Pluto. This is the ninth planet.
Pluto.
It is not seen nowadays. That's all about solar system. Kids, shall we say the names of all 9 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.